In 2014, Maytag was stuck in the past. Our age-old benefit of dependability had lost relevance. New competitors were overtaking the market with high-tech features, making Maytag and its iconic repairman look old-fashioned. It was time to give the Maytag Man a new job.
Maytag knows that if your fridge doesn't keep running, your house can't keep running. The TV can spend hours relaxing. The blender spends most days snoozing. But there's no such thing as downtime for a fridge. And Maytag is built tough enough to go the distance for you, year after year. Lazy toaster. Maytag, what's inside matters.
The man became the machine. And the machine gave Maytag dependability a new face, a new voice.
That all you got? Oh, paprika.
And a new attitude. Maytag now had a unique way to showcase their products in everything from online ads to product demos.
That's stainless steel right there.
To social channels. And for the first time in a long time, people were talking about Maytag. In under 6 months, engaged Facebook users grew from 21,000 to over 1.3 million. And after years of decline, the Maytag brand experienced a historic resurgence, turning an all-but-forgotten brand into one of the most talked-about brands of the year.
Maytag, what's inside matters.